Are you looking for the best GoPro cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best GoPro cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest generation of classic GoPro, and though it doesn't reinvent the wheel, it has new features that make this the best GoPro you can buy in 2024. It improves battery life, despite maintaining the same size and weight, letting you record over 3.5 hours of continuous footage at 1080p 30fps, or up to 95 minutes at 5.3K 30fps. This retains 15 minutes more than the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and all thanks to software tweaks. Along with battery life improvements, this new GoPro features HDR support, so videos will look especially vibrant. It also has some new features targeting professionals, like timecode synchronization. It's simple to connect to Bluetooth devices like microphones and earbuds, too. Other than that, it's the same great GoPro as the Hero 11 Black. Worth noting, existing Hero 11 owners may not see much need to upgrade to this version. But for everyone else, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best GoPro available today. What our writers say, Forbes vetted contributor Prucker Khanna said in his review, while the processor remains the same, the addition of 8:7 aspect ratio, GP log, ability to add up to 4 Bluetooth headphones, and software features for better post-editing give more room for creative freedom with the Hero 12 Black. At $350, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an easy recommendation, thanks to a plethora of new features that allow you to be more creative. High dynamic range video plus photo. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Unbelievable image quality, with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. You can also grab stunning photos up to 24.7MP of your favorite shots from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hypersmooth continues to set the bar for insanely smooth footage and has the hardware to back it up, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing Hypersmooth Auto Boost performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get awesome pet POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Great for adventurers and travelers alike, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is the company's last-generation flagship camera. This model offers some of the best video quality and battery life of any GoPro, and it has improved image stabilization performance. Dubbed Hypersmooth 5.0, the image stabilization mitigates camera shake and includes horizon leveling. It has an 8:7 aspect ratio sensor and supports 10-bit color, up from the 4:3 aspect ratio sensor and 8-bit color on the Hero 10 Black. The larger sensor enables better image quality and more shooting flexibility. It also has a range of specialty shooting modes for capturing slow motion, time-lapse, and low-light videos. The Hero 11's small, rugged design is conducive for use almost anywhere, whether you're on the icy slopes or in water up to 33 feet deep, or more with an optional housing. It comes with one Enduro rechargeable battery, which is optimized to last longer, even in cold weather. Revolutionary new image sensor, expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera out of the box. This gives you an extra large canvas for your creativity by capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. Zoom in, crop your shots, change digital lenses, adjust aspect ratios and more while keeping the rich textures and sharpness of your footage. Maximum video bitrate, 120 megabits per second. ISO range, video, 100/6400. ISO range, photo, 100/3200. Exposure control, yes. Operating temperature, -10 degrees C, 35 degrees C. Unbelievable image quality. with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. High-res photos and videos, high frame rate. Hero 11 Black's new image sensor boosts photo resolution up to an incredible 27MP while delivering 5.3K 60 video with amazingly fluid motion that you can use to grab stunning 24.7MP stills of your favorite shots. Plus, record 2.7K 240 video that can be played back in 8x slow mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is a scaled-down version of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. While it's smaller and lighter, as well as waterproof, this model lacks several features you might expect in a GoPro. For example, it lacks a front display, has no GPS, and it can't shoot still images in real time, though you can capture 24.6 megapixel stills from video content. As with other GoPro cameras, you can choose from several aspect ratios, video resolutions, and frames per second settings, plus take advantage of a hyperview, superview, wide, linear, or linear plus horizontal lock field of view. You also get video stabilization, slow motion capture, time-lapse video, and 720p live streaming capabilities. This camera has 3 built-in microphones and a small speaker. The viewfinder display on the back is also rather small. Additionally, the rechargeable battery life is shorter than with other GoPro cameras. This Hero 11 Black Mini is compatible with over 40 genuine GoPro mounts and accessories. The power of Hero 11 Black. Only smaller plus lighter. Get the same high-performance 5.6K 60 video and hypersmooth 5.0 video stabilization of Hero 11 Black in a smaller and lighter design. Hero 11 Black Mini's size makes it ideal for capturing amazing point-of-view footage using helmet and body mounts. It can be worn comfortably without getting in your way while mountain biking, skiing, skating, and more. One-button simplicity with Easy Plus Pro controls. Hero 11 Black Mini makes capturing amazing footage of your adventure incredibly easy. Just point and shoot. Using the easy controls, all you have to do is press the shutter button to power up your camera and starting recording stunning 5.3K video, our highest resolution. Switch over to Pro controls if you want to adjust resolutions, frame rates, digital lenses, and image quality settings to set up shots exactly the way you want them. High-res video plus frame grabs. Hero 11 Black Mini's amazing 5.3K footage gives you more than incredible high-resolution videos. It lets you capture high-quality photos up to 24.7MP from your videos with the GoPro Quick app or other editing software. All it takes is a tap when you see a great shot in your video. The app grabs the exact frame you want and saves it as a photo that's ready to share in post. Number 4. GoPro MAX 360. While not as compact as the GoPro Hero 11 Black, the GoPro MAX 360 exists primarily to capture immersive video using its wide Max SuperView cameras to capture a spherical 360-degree field of view. It can also capture panoramic photos or time-lapse footage both on land and underwater, to a depth of 16 feet, as opposed to the Hero 11 Black's reach of 33 feet. 3 cameras and 6 microphones do an amazing job capturing 360-degree video and 360-degree premium audio all around you. If you don't need the full 360-degree video effect, the camera's 270-degree panoramic video feature delivers immersive vistas, especially when content is viewed on a large TV or monitor. This camera stands out for its 360-degree video at up to 6K, featuring stability and horizon leveling. Beyond that, the GoPro MAX works well as a vlogging camera or 1080p camera for live streaming thanks to its small, front-facing display, the only display on the device. Like other GoPro cameras, this model supports voice controls and has over 30 optional mounts and accessories available. The MAX features GoPro's excellent hypersmooth image stabilization and a variety of video shooting modes for virtually any situation or lighting condition. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. The GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition bundles the camera with must-have GoPro accessories for content creators. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to get started with vlogging, with components that all fit together. Each of the accessories helps you level up your video capture game. You get all that with the latest version of the GoPro, our best overall pick, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. The Media mod provides high-quality directional audio capture with wind reduction. The Light mod provides LED lighting in challenging environments. Everything mounts easily onto the Volta hand grip, so you can face the camera toward you or away from you while capturing video one-handed. Between the camera and Volta's batteries, you get up to 5 hours of continuous 4K, 30 frames per second, video shooting per charge. This is 1 extra hour over the last generation Hero 11 design. The only thing this kit lacks to get you started is a microSD card, and that's easy enough to purchase separately. All-in-one creative solution, the Hero 12 Black Creator Edition combines Hero 12 Black with the mounts and accessories you need to tell your story right out of the box. It includes Volta, Media mod, and Light mod that seamlessly come together in a powerful creative solution that delivers stunning pro-quality footage and the versatility to capture a wide variety of photos and videos in an ultra-portable design that's light enough to comfortably carry through an all-day production. All-day capture plus Enduro battery. The Hero 12 Black Creator Edition combines Hero 12 Black's advanced Enduro battery with the power of the Volta grip to give you a total of 6,620 mAh of power. You'll get 35% more runtime for a total of over 5 hours of continuous 4K 30 recording, enough to capture a full day of video clips. The 1,720 mAh Enduro also dramatically improves cold weather performance so you can power through ski, snowboard, and other winter shots. High Dynamic Range Video plus Photo. The Hero 12 Black Creator Edition takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with High Dynamic Range, HDR, for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision.